Hi children, we have completed the second lesson. Today we are going to learn third lesson. Okay, the third lesson is about the Delhi Sultans. So in previous lesson we learned that Muhammad Ghori defeated the Prithviraj Chauhan. He was the strongest ruler of the Rajputs, and he killed the second battle of Tarain. Muhammad Ghori killed Prithviraj Chauhan. Then Turks were the new rulers of Delhi. They were called Sultans. So they made Delhi as their capital. Okay, Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Muhammad Ghori in 1192, and thus the Turks were the new rulers of Delhi. They were called सुल्तानेस. ये टर्क्स को बोलते हैं. मोहम्मद गोरी उनको डिफीट किया पृथ्वीराज चौहान को और सुल्तान करके सुल्तानेट पीरियड तब से स्टार्ट हो गया. So Delhi Sultanate. The word Sultanate meant the form of government or the kingdom under the sultans. Thus Delhi Sultanate had a meaning of Delhi under the rule of sultans. Sultanate, the meaning of Sultanate, that the government under the sultans or the kingdom under the sultans. So Delhi Sultan means meaning of Delhi under the rule of sultans. That is the meaning of Delhi Sultanate, which lasted for 320 years. That is from 1206 to 1526. 1206 से 1526 का बीच का जो 320 years they ruled Delhi. This period is also termed as Delhi Sultanate period. This 300 years, it's known as Delhi Sultanate period, means Delhi under the rule of the sultans. During this period, 5 dynasties ruled from Delhi. So not only the one dynasty, Sultanate means एक dynasty नहीं है, 5 dynasties ruled Delhi. They were the Slave dynasty, the Khalji dynasty, the Tughlaq dynasty, the Sayyid dynasty, and the Lodi dynasty. These were the 5 dynasties ruled Delhi. Ruled from Delhi, ruled India. So once again I am repeating the name of the dynasties. The Slave dynasty, Khalji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty, and the Lodi dynasty. These were the 5 dynasties ruled from Delhi. Sultans of Delhi built their own capital cities, which were in and around the area now known as Delhi. Sultans ruled the place. That place now it is known as Delhi. जहाँ पे सुल्तान्स रूल किया, उनका कैपिटल बनाया, वो ये अभी का जो दिल्ली. Remains found in Mehruli, Shri and तुगलकाबाद can be seen even today in Delhi में. उसकी जो remains, उन लोग का जो किंगडम उधर था, उधर कैपिटल था करके कुछ रिमेन्स अभी भी दिल्ली में है. देन हिस्टोरिकल सोर्स. इन फर्स्ट लेसन वी लर्न दैट हम हिस्ट्री ये सही में हुआ है क्या ऐसा, ये हमको कहाँ से आइडिया मिलते हैं. सोर्सेस आर देयर, हिस्टोरिकल सोर्सेस. So from where we can understand or we can get idea that Delhi Sultanate करके एक ग्रुप का रूल दिल्ली से हुआ करके. So some sources are there. Various historical sources such as court chronicles, कोर्ट में जो लिखा हुआ बुक्स, ट्रैवलर्स अकाउंट, जो भी उस समय में इधर विजिट किया उनका अकाउंट, आर्किटेक्चर, बिल्डिंग्स एंड मॉन्यूमेंट्स, मेनी बिल्डिंग्स एंड मॉन्यूमेंट्स built by this Delhi Sultanates. They are available to tell the stories of Sultanate period. Court chronicles like Amir Khusro's Tughlaqnama and Tariq-i-Alai, Ziauddin Baruni's Tariq-i-Firoz Shahi, biography of Firoz Shah, and many books are there. Tariq-i-Mubarak Shahi and Maksari-e-Afghan. Yes, this all throw light on the personality, governance and main events of Delhi Sultanate. Means many books are written in this period by the travelers भी लिखा, कोर्ट क्रॉनिकल करके many books are written there. वो बुक से हमें पता चलते दिल्ली के मेन इवेंट्स, what were the events happened in that time, that we can understand through these books. So, Dai Dinka Jodhpur was the most constructed under the supervision of Muhammad Ghori. It was a masterpiece of Indo-Islamic architecture built in 2.5 days in Ajmer. Ajmer में एक बिल्डिंग बनाया, मोस्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट किया, उसको बोलते हैं 2.5 दिन का चोपड़ा. मीन्स 2.5 days में वो बनाया. 2.5 days में अजमेर में बनाया हुआ एक बिल्डिंग है, एक मॉस्क है. ये सब हमको बताते हैं कि दिल्ली सुल्तानेट का जो रूल सही में दिल्ली में हुआ है. Some foreigners such as Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo and Nikit visited India during this period, and their travelers act as historical sources. Some historical sources will get from the foreign travelers. They visited India and they have written about India. Historical building of this period such as Qutub Minar, then Huatul Sam, Masjid, Alai Darwaja, tomb of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Tughlaqabad House, Firoz Shah Kotla, Lodi tomb. These all are the this period में historical source के लिए ये सब building अभी भी हमें बताते कि ये दिल्ली सुल्तानेट बनाया हुआ buildings है. This all exhibit the source of information about this period. So सही में दिल्ली सुल्तानेट ऐसा एक period दिल्ली में, दिल्ली से कुछ रूलर्स सुल्तान्स रूल किया. We are getting information about this through the travelers account, court chronicles, and some buildings, some foreigners visited India. Through that we are getting the information about this period. Okay, so the first dynasty, there were 5 dynasties ruled from Delhi. First dynasty was slave dynasty. Are you remembering that Muhammad Ghori attacked India, he invaded India, killed Prithviraj Chauhan, and he kept one person here. His name is Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak was his slave. He kept Qutbuddin Aibak here as a governor, and he made this dynasty. He was the founder of the slave dynasty. Qutbuddin Aibak is known as the founder of the slave dynasty, or he was the most favorite slave of Muhammad Ghori. So the following rulers belong to this dynasty. So सबसे पहले ये डायनास्टी में जो गवर्नर करके मोहम्मद घोरी ने छोड़ के गया कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, उन्होंने खुद किंग बन के स्लेव डायनास्टी स्टार्ट किया. एक्चुअली कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक वाज द मोस्ट फेवरेट स्लेव ऑफ मोहम्मद घोरी. Okay, Qutbuddin Aibak was the first ruler of this slave dynasty. He served from 1206 to 1210 only and faced a lot of hurdles created by the Turkish nobles. He suppressed all these internal revolts. He faced many revolt and many problems from the Turkish nobles से भी मिला because he was a slave. But he suppressed all the revolt. He set up an independent kingdom with its headquarters at Lahore. Lahore उसका कैपिटल करके लाहौर थे, वहाँ पे एक इंडिपेंडेंट किंगडम सेटअप करके वो उधर की किंग है. He started the construction of Qutub Minar in the memory of Sufi saint Qutbuddin Bakhtiar Kaki, which was completed by his successor Iltutmish. Actually this Qutub Minar की construction started by Qutbuddin Aibak, but he was not able to complete this. It is completed by his successor Iltutmish. उसने start किया, Iltutmish ने Qutub Minar complete किया. He died of injuries received during an accidental fall from the horse while playing polo in 1210. 1210 में accidentally horse के ऊपर से गिर के this Qutbuddin Aibak मर गया. So Qutbuddin Aibak was the first ruler of the slave dynasty. First dynasty was slave dynasty, and first ruler of the founder of the slave dynasty was Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay, it's enough for today. Tomorrow we will see about the next rulers and the next dynasties. Okay, thank you.